Have you ever stopped to think about this? Money doesn't care who you are. It doesn't see skin color, doesn't know your faith, and sure doesn't care about your family background. Nope, money has no time for any of that. It's not interested in your life story, where you come from, or what you've been through. It doesn't ask about your job or what you'll do with it. That's because money follows one set of rules, and those rules are the same for everyone, no exceptions. Right now, you've got the same shot as anyone else to get rich. Yes, you heard right. You've got the same chance as the millionaire down the street, the entrepreneur building an empire, or the person who turned their passion into a thriving business. The only difference, they knew the rules and played by them, and here's the thing. The only one who can stop you from getting that successful is you. If you choose to ignore the rules, or worse, play without even knowing them, you're deciding to hold yourself back. Let me be clear. Money doesn't have eyes, ears, or a brain. It's not judging your reasons or trying to figure out who should have more of it. It's not sitting there deciding if you deserve it. The only thing that matters to money is if you know how to make it work for you. It's a game and the rules are simple. But are you ready to play? In my journey to find out the secrets of wealth, I've learned from some of the most successful people out there. They've made their fortunes, and while they all had different ways of doing things, they all followed the same rules. Now I'm going to share those rules with you because once you get them, nothing can stop you from being rich. Limiting beliefs have proven to be a major setback when it comes to manifesting desires. If you want to dive deeper into manifestation, get rid of limiting beliefs and maintain your positive affirmations. Get your free guide down in the link below. Making money is like any other skill. You don't have to change who you are to learn it. You just need to open your mind and think in a totally different way. For most of my life, I've dealt with both rich and poor people, and I found that the real difference between the two groups is that the rich think like rich people, and the poor think like, well, poor people. We're the ones who give money a deeper meaning, turning it into freedom of choice, energy, or the cause of all problems, depending on how we see it. For a long time, money has been linked to power, happiness, and the ability to give better lives to loved ones. Depending on what you think money means, it will either bring you closer to or push you away from trying to get rich. When you still have a poor mindset, it's like trying to drive a car with one foot on the brake and the other on the gas at the same time. You need to act to win. At work, you're not paid for who you are, but for what you do. The world sees and rewards action. It's crazy how people spend day after day thinking, planning, and organizing. While the smartest thing to do would be to act. After years as a money and stock market coach, I can say that action is what sets winners apart from losers. Winners take action even if they don't get it right the first time. Winners learn from their mistakes and get things moving, much like billiard balls reacting one after another. Once the first ball is hit, action creates momentum which eventually leads to results. Have you ever noticed that the last letters of the word satisfaction are the same as the word action? In Latin, the word satis means enough. The Romans already understood that enough actions create satisfaction. You can have all the knowledge in the world, be in the right place at the right time, and have a good mindset, but if you don't act, all of that will be useless. Many people are too lazy to become rich. Many claim they want riches, but only buy lottery tickets, hoping for good fortune. They're unwilling to make sacrifices, learn, focus, or change. Most folks dream of effortless wealth through chance or luck. Money is like a sport. You need to understand the rules, have good mentors, and work on improving daily. Remember, money isn't the answer. If you think, with lots of cash, I could fix all my problems, you're mistaken. Money is like engine oil. It helps things run smoothly, but isn't the engine itself. It can't replace relationships, health, or family. There's only one person responsible for the quality of your life, and that person is you. To succeed, you must take full responsibility for everything that happens to you. This includes your achievements, the quality of your relationships, your physical and mental health, your income, your debts, and your emotions. It's challenging because many of us blame others for our failures. You must realize and believe that you've always had the power to change your life and the lives of others, and that you're capable of achieving the results you set out to accomplish. It's clear that external factors exist, but if they were so decisive, no one would be able to succeed. Yet, many people have overcome tough circumstances by taking charge of their outcomes. If outside factors were truly unbeatable, no one would become rich or achieve their dreams, regardless of where they started. In truth, it's not external conditions that hold you back, it's yourself. Money doesn't alter people, it amplifies who they are. If you're kind, having wealth will be more valued because you can help many. If you're selfish, money will also intensify these negative traits. I think you get closer to God when you spend some of your money on needy people you don't know and without expecting anything back. At that point, you've started to connect with money, and amazingly, the more you give, I swear, the more you'll receive. Avoid people with a poor mindset and surround yourself with wealthy thinkers. Over 78% of people worldwide have a poor mindset. Now that you know this, you'll start noticing all the poor minds around you. Spend time with poor minds, and you'll become one. Spend time with rich minds, and you'll develop a rich mind. It's that simple. In some areas of life, you must be strict because your energy is all you have to move forward. That's why it's crucial to identify who drains your energy most and quietly distance yourself from them. God loves and helps you as long as you do your part. It's about responsibility, not gratitude. God is everything, but don't blame Him for your failures. He wants the best for you, but you must act and earn it. Religions and people have twisted the message to justify themselves or reduce their accountability. Money comes to you because you want it to, not just because you pray. Praying alone won't help you connect with money. If you want God to come to you, respect Him, and He'll be with you. The same goes for money. If you respect and want it, it will be with you. Until next time, thanks for watching.